Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Hairunizam bin Sa'dan, lecturer from Polytechnic Banting, Selangor, Department of Aircraft Maintenance, with my students Nik Muhammad Rushdi bin Nik Faizul Amin, Aiman Safwan bin Sulaiman, Umar Arif Ukail bin Harith Fazilah, will present you Advanced Cabin Crew Trolley, ACCT. Background of study. Cabin trolley was actually quite heavy, therefore it's become difficult to be controlled by the steward and the stewardess. To maintain an excellent level of service, we try our best to help them make their works more efficient. When working too long as a cabin crew, they will start to lose focus and self-awareness. Thus, consistently while working will be reduced and it turn and lead to health problems. Problem statement. Because of many problems, like complication of handling the trolley, health issue and waste management system, we developed the ACCT. Project objective. The main objective is 1. To develop ACCT with smart movement galley system. Number 2. To design an ergonomic cabin crew trolley to be used in most aircraft. Number 3. To demonstrate the function of ACCT. And the last, to evaluate the user's satisfaction through the post-project survey. Project impact. Our project will impact first to help support cabin crew for safety awareness, to boost or to improve cabin crew services, and last, to manage waste management by increase the sustainability. Project scope. Our project scope is 1. For only cabin personnel, for use in aircraft, for meat and beverage carts, and for the waste management for rubbish and recycled material. Product design. From our product design, you can see that the width is the 300 millimeter. From the side view, we can see the height is 1080 millimeters. And from top view, we can see the length is also 810 millimeters. Isometric view. You can see from the picture, the left one is the main structure and the right is the width detachable structure. In this detachable structure, we added the control and the mechanism to fulfill our ACCT objective. Project features. Project features, you can see that the mechanical system for movement, we use the Chester and the motor drive. For control the mechanism, we use the Arduino Uno for electrical system. And the base structure, we use the hollow steel. Base structure. We use hollow steel, SHS, will be used for the main structure together with the aluminum alloy material in sheet metal form. This is aluminum alloy, this is hollow steel. For mechanical mechanism, the use of motor power to rotate the wheel to create movement for the trolley. You can see we use power window motor and the caster wheel. For electrical mechanism, the use of microprocessor, Arduino, and sensor makes the idle movement programmable together with the power supply from the battery. You can see we use the Arduino Uno battery. This is the expected expenditure. For the sensor, HCSR04, ultrasonic sensor, unit 1, price amount 50 ringgit. Arduino, unit 1, price 110 per unit. Power window motor 2, 40 ringgit. Quantity 2 means 80 ringgit. 12 volt rechargeable battery, unit 1, price per unit 40 ringgit. Total price 40 ringgit. Hollow steel 14 unit. Price 70 ringgit times 14, 238 ringgit. Aluminum alloy sheet metal 12 unit. Price per unit 30 ringgit per unit. 456 ringgit. and the caster wheel to set 7 ringgit per unit, 14 ringgit total, and the total is 956 ringgit. Okay, for make our presentation more easy to understand, we do the video. This is a video for the ACCT Advanced Screw Trolley for the manufacturing and for demonstration. Enjoy it. Nick Muhammad Rushdie, our group leader software. Nick. This is the second member. Mpccsustaward, project design implement. This is the Umara Arif Acct, hardware and mechanical engineering. For product and fabrication testing, first we must design the structure. We do the design and redesign. Then after that, we decide. We buy the material, the sheet metal, and then we create Arduino circuit by do the research. And Umara do the structure and use riveting, coding and testing again by the Rushdie. And then we assembly the process, install the power drive, product description. Okay, this is the final product. You can see this is the power window motor for movement mechanism. This is the detachable dustbin for waste management system. This is the ultrasonic sensor that detect body, so the trolley can follow the steward or stewardess. Okay, the electronic component, the battery, Arduino, and all the controller or sensor. Okay, product demonstration. Okay, sensor will detect the motion. Okay, you can see the trolley is moving towards. Okay, we adjust the sensor. Okay, you can see the trolley is moving along the aisle of the aircraft. This aircraft is 737-400. Thank you for watching our video. Okay, I hope you enjoy our video. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.